In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable or enable passwords autofill. I saw a lot of confusion in the comments regarding where autofill option is. That's probably because it's not located in Passwords app with all of your passwords, but actually in Devices settings. So start by opening Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to click on the General section. Don't worry, I tested it before on this and other iPhones, so I can tell you now it will work. After entering General, you need to scroll again, this time to tap on Autofill and Passwords. Now using green switcher next to Autofill Passwords and Passkeys, you can switch it off. To turn it on, click on the same switcher until it's green. And make sure to do the same with this one next to passwords I mentioned before, so Autofill will be able to use your added passwords. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!